This is Dan Swanson, State Representative. I just spent a morning at the Carl Sandburg College welding program talking with young people, and just what a great opportunity for young men and women to learn a trade of welding and other skills that go along with the manufacturing world. As we all know, the manufacturing business is struggling to find employees, and what a great opportunity here for these high school students and college students to learn a trade that is so valuable. And as we sit here in Knox County, we border two of the top 15 counties that have manufacturing opportunities between Peoria and Rock Island County. And of course, here locally in Galesburg, we have great opportunities for young people to start out in the trade of welding and possibly continue their whole career locally. But a great opportunity. I had a chance to watch some young people do some welding as a farmer. I normally get tasked with doing the welding on the farm, and it's something I thoroughly enjoyed doing is welding, and then at the end of the day, watching that weld actually work and that piece of equipment that I repaired do what it's supposed to do. So great morning here with Carl Sandburg students and instructors, and look forward to them moving on into the manufacturing arena.